Hi. I have a problem with my PC. It makes this weird noise. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but I'll let you be able to hear it in a second. I know that's the temp and everything.
I know it's a mess. Don't judge, please. I'm kind of new to this. I have to set everything up, but I'll let you hear the noise now. I think it's coming from the motherboard, but I really have no idea. If you guys can help me out in the comments or spread it around to Reddit or something, that'd be great. Thanks. Bye.